Since 1998, Shenzhen Golden Weald Electronic Co., Limited is a professional OEM/ODM manufacturer. Focus in electronics manufacturing services field. For PCB PCBA to final electronic products. Base in Shenzhen, China. With 24 years of development, from a small SMT factory, Golden Weald has grew into a first-class manufacturer that could provide one-station service from PCB layout, PCB fabrication, PCBA, PCB assembly, mechanic design molds, plastic injection CNC enclosure, metal parts to final product assembly. In Golden Weald, most of engineers have worked in this field more than 20 years. We produce the PCBA for industrial electronic, medical electronic, consumer electronic, communication field and so on. We work with our customers in these fields and have the long-term business with them. We have the good relationship with chipset manufacturer. All of the world, we can order the chipset in advance and save the time and cost for you. If you interesting work with us, contact us now. We will help you win the business in the market. Contact Gammon_WJJ, Sales Director. Since 1998, 24-year experience. Professional electronics manufacturing service, OEM/ODM, partner. Mobile, WhatsApp, +86 13760386598. Email, Gammon_WJJ@goldenweald.com. http www.goldenweald.com. Thank you very much.